Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Resetting a DTS gate motor is a simple process that solves many common errors. You might need to do this if your gate stops halfway or behaves strangely. First, you must locate the control board inside the motor housing. Remove the plastic cover carefully to see the electronics. Look for the button labeled Set or Reset on the main board. Make sure the gate is in the closed position before you start. Turn off the main power and disconnect the battery for a full reset. Wait about 30 seconds before plugging everything back in. Now, press and hold the Set button. You will see the LED lights begin to flash rapidly. Keep holding it until the lights stay solid or change pattern. This clears the old memory and factory settings. Now you need to teach the gate its travel limits again. Press the Set button once more to start the learning mode. The gate will move slowly to the open position and then back to the closed position. Do not block the sensors during this time. Once the gate stops at both ends, the motor has learned the path. Test the remote to ensure it works properly. If the gate still acts up, check for obstructions on the track. Dirt or stones can cause the motor to trip its safety sensors. Always keep the track clean for the best performance. This reset procedure works for most DTS models like the 512 and 624 series. Follow these steps to get your gate back in sync. It saves you time and money on repairs. Your gate motor is ready.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.